Let me show you how to make quick and healthy banana bread at home. Take some ripe bananas. Remember, if you use ripe bananas, that means you're gonna use less sweetener, which is good. Mash them properly using fork. Bananas are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, B6 and dietary fiber. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I have to use both because I'm not using egg here. You can add eggs if you want, then you can skip these. Now add antioxidant rich cocoa powder, rich in flavonoids. These are linked to improve cognitive function. Now oats, maple syrup, little bit and then see if you need more. Now add vanilla extract. Now add digestive aid cardamom powder. It is also antioxidant rich and anti-inflammatory. Now mix well everything. Add melted butter. Mix well properly. Now you can add diced almonds. You can leave some for later. Now is the time to grease the baking paper. You can use any oil or you can even use butter. And add this in a mold. I'm using glass container here. Now while pouring I realized my batter is a bit runny. So I have added oats after. Just exactly same that I've added before. So make sure it's neither too runny nor too thick. Now garnish with almonds, diced almonds. That's it. It's now ready to be baked. Bake this at 150 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And here I'm using the leftover to make muffins. So this homemade banana bread is your go-to snack, nutritious snack. You can enjoy guilt-free, but as I always say, balance is a key. Moderation is a key, cause it's still sweet. Try this yummy banana bread. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.